The concept of secularism in the Indian Constitution implies that the state recognizes all religions equally. The state promotes one religion over others. The state has no official religion. Or both A and C are correct. Correct answer is both A and C are correct. Which of the following provisions was added to the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment? Fundamental duties, right to education, right to information, or reservation for women. Correct answer is fundamental duties. Which document served as the basis for the Indian Constitution? British North America Act, Government of India Act 1935, Montagu-Chelmsford Report, or Indian Independence Act? Correct answer is Government of India Act 1935. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the abolition of untouchability? Article 15, Article 17, Article 19, or Article 21? Correct answer is Article 17. The President of India is elected by an electoral college consisting of members of Parliament only, members of legislative assemblies only, both members of Parliament and members of legislative assemblies, or members of Rajya Sabha only. Correct answer is both members of Parliament and members of legislative assemblies. Which part of the Indian Constitution contains the fundamental rights? Part 3, Part 4, Part 5, or Part 6? Correct answer is Part 3. Which of the following is a feature of the Indian Constitution? Flexible Constitution, rigid Constitution, both A and B, or neither A nor B? Correct answer is both A and B. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains the list of states and union territories? First schedule, second schedule, third schedule, or fourth schedule? Correct answer is first schedule. The concept of judicial review in India is derived from which of the following? British Constitution, American Constitution, Canadian Constitution, or Australian Constitution? Correct answer is American Constitution. Which amendment to the Indian Constitution is known as the Mini-Constitution? 41st Amendment, 42nd Amendment, 43rd Amendment, or 44th Amendment? Correct answer is 42nd Amendment. The directive principles of state policy are enshrined in which part of the Indian Constitution? Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, or Part 5? Correct answer is Part 4. Which body is responsible for the enforcement of fundamental rights in India? Supreme Court, High Court, both A and B, or District Court? Correct answer is Supreme Court. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the right to freedom of speech and expression? Article 14, Article 15, Article 21, or Article 19, 1A? Correct answer is Article 19, 1A. The First Amendment to the Indian Constitution was made in which year? 1950, 1951, 1952, or 1953? Correct answer is 1951. Which of the following rights is not a fundamental right? Right to equality, right to freedom, right to property, or right to constitutional remedies? Correct answer is right to property. Which article empowers the President to appoint the Prime Minister? Article 74, Article 75, Article 76, or Article 77? Correct answer is Article 75. The Constitution of India was framed by the Constituent Assembly that was formed in 1946, 1947, 1948, or 1950. Correct answer is 1946. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Union and its territory? Part 2, Part 4, Part 6, or Part 8? Correct answer is Part 8. The Preamble to the Indian Constitution was amended by which Constitutional Amendment Act? 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment, 86th Amendment, or it was never amended? Correct answer is 42nd Amendment. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the formation of new states? Article 2, Article 3, Article 4, or Article 5? Correct answer is Article 3. Please join our journey. Subscribe, share, and stay updated.